R.S. Agrawal, chapter polynomial, exercise 2a. In problem number 2, we have given a quadratic polynomial. We have to find the zero of given polynomial and to verify the relation between zero of the polynomial and their coefficient. तो सबसे पहले इस polynomial को जीरो के इक्वल पुट करेंगे. So from this polynomial 5x is common. So here x plus 2 equals to 0. तो हमारे फैक्टर आ गए 5x and x plus 2. So from here 5x will be equals to 0. So x will be 0. And from here x plus 2 equals to 0. So x will be minus 2. This is alpha, this is beta. Now 5x square plus 10x. And alpha is 0 and beta is minus 2. So on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, a will be 5, b will be 10 and c will be 0 because there is no constant term present in given polynomial. So c is 0. So from here sum of zeros will be alpha plus beta, that is equals to minus b upon a. So our alpha is 0 and beta is minus 2, that is equals to minus b 10 upon a is 5. So minus 2 equals to minus 2. Now product of zeros will be alpha into beta, that is equals to c upon a. So alpha is 0 into beta is minus 2 equals to c 0 upon 5. So 0 into minus 2 will be 0 and the 0 upon 5 will be 0, hence verified. R.S. Agrawal, chapter polynomial, exercise 2a, problem number 12. In problem number 12, we have to find firstly the zero of given polynomial and then we have to verify the relation between zeros of the polynomial and their coefficient. Firstly, 8x square minus 4 will be equals to 0. From here 8x square will be equals to 4, x square will be equals to 4 upon 8, that is 1 upon 2. So x will be under root 1 upon 2. So x will be plus minus 1 upon root 2. So from here, so what 2 zeros is plus 1 upon root 2 and minus 1 upon root 2. So 8x square minus 4. First 0 is 1 upon root 2 and second 0 is minus 1 upon root 2. So from here on comparing with standard form ax square plus bx plus c. So from here a will be 8. There is no presence of term of x. So b will be 0 and c is minus 4. So from here sum of 0 will be alpha plus beta, that is equals to minus b upon a. So our alpha is minus 1 upon plus 1 upon root 2 and beta is minus 1 upon root 2 equals to minus b 0 upon 8. So 0 equals to 0. Now product of zeros will be alpha into beta equals to C upon A. So our alpha is 1 upon root 2 and beta is minus 1 upon root 2, that is equals to C is minus 4 and A is 8. 1 upon root 2 into minus 1 upon root 2 will be 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, and this is minus 1 upon 2. So hence verified.